The zero-COVID policy comes amid a border decoupling from the West in the aerospace industry as China aims for increased self-reliance and watches the effect of strict export sanctions placed on Russia's aviation. Industry because of that country's invasion of Ukraine. Zhuhai is of the intense interest to China aviation sporters and missing the show in a significant lost opportunities for those seeking to understand China's opaque commercial and defense aerospace sectors, said Greg Waldron, Singapore-based Asia Managing Editor of industrial publication Fight Global. Comac C919, the recent certified home-ground rival to the popular Airbus A320-1 and Boeing 377 MAX. Comac C919, the recent certified homegrown rival, the popular Airbus A320-1 and Boeing 377 narrow families in the show's flying display for the first time on Tuesday, performing sharp 45 turns before a crowd wearing N95 mask outdoors. Earlier, 4 J-20 Sleeper fighter jets streaked in by close information. The C919 display came the same day China Southern Airlines operated last night Airbus A380 flight from Los Angeles and Guangzhou, according to the flight tracking website Flight Radar 24. Marking the retirement of this European super jumbo from its fleet, China Southern did not immediately respond to the request for comment. For the first time, Airbus, Boeing and Comac all had single-aisle aircraft on display at the show, which is normally biennial but was held in 2021 after the pandemic delayed the 2020 edition. The show comes amid rising tension between China and Taiwan after US House Speaker Nancy Pelosi visited Taipei in August, sparking huge Chinese military exercises in the area at the time when the world is also on edge cover the conflict in Ukraine. State-owned newspaper Global Times reported a new anti-drone defense system built around the HQ-17AE short-range air defense missile complex would make its debut at the show as countermeasures follow slow and small drones that are difficult to identify and attack with traditional anti-air system. China is also showing off FH-97A Loyal Wingman drone model designed to cooperate with crewed aircraft. The aircraft is different from FH-97 concept, first displayed last year. The FH-97 is nearly identically to the US-developed Karatos defense and security solution XQ-58A Valkyrie, which made its first flight in 2019, while FH-97A looks like Boeing large Australian development MQ-28 goes bad, according to the photographs. Early images from the show suggested it will again be a major bazaar of Chinese UVA technology, including what appear to be mock-ups of unmanned combat aircraft that could one day accompany Chinese J-20 fighters into combat. Baldwin said, "Still, it can be very hard to understand if the various UVA models at the show represent real programs with investment for the Chinese military."